So I was talking about an article Buildings Magazine put out about 2 years ago that compared reactively managed roofs to proactively managed roofs and what that means in life cycle repair costs. What the article indicates is that on average, a building owner who only reacts to leaks and doesn't think about their roof unless water's coming into the building spends on average 25 cents a square foot annually. Now, versus a proactively managed roof, somebody who is annually assessing their roof, doing preventative maintenance at least once a year, that building owner is only spending 14 cents a square foot annually in life cycle repair costs. Now, if you push that out over the life cycle of a roof of say 15 years, the comparison on that in a reactive environment is $75,000 in repair spend versus a proactive environment of only $42,000 in repair spend. It is a tremendous difference. Now that's only 15 years. It keeps going. If you proactively manage your roof, on average a roof, according to this article, is going to last 21 years versus a reactive roof only lasting 13 years. That again leads to capital deferment that you can utilize for capital spend elsewhere for 8 additional years. Now, if you don't have a proactive management plan in place, if you're not currently maintaining your roof, I highly suggest you do so because the laws of averages will catch up with you if you're not already feeling them today.